Brock, welcome to Cooking Shit with Sean. Today we're cooking fucking chili rellenos. I don't know what the fuck that was. Look at this shit. It's one of my favorite fucking things, and I've been tweaking this recipe my whole damn life. Yep, ever since I was a fucking baby, I'd spit the boob out and say, I want fucking chili rellenos. No, dumbass, that didn't happen. I'd never spit a boob out. Well, that just got fucking weird. Let's stick to cooking shit. Most chili relleno recipes have you slit the poblano lengthwise for stuffing. It's fine if you're a lazy fuck and you hate cheese, but I'm neither, so I cut the tops off so I can really stuff them like I stuffed your mom. Okay, why are these weird mom jokes happening? Divert. Save the fucking lids. We're going to toothpick them in place after we stuff them with our hot, gooey, I'm not saying it, cheese jizz. Fuck, I have fucking Tourette's, okay? Okay, buckle up, bitches. We got a lot of shit to cover. We're making sauce, too. I call it make this shit up as I go sauce. Get some dried New Mexico chili pods. I don't know how fucking many figure it out. They smell like a spicy sock, but they taste good. Cut the fucking heads off and tear them a little. Put the extra seeds in your garden or don't. I don't give a fuck what you do. Don't rub your fucking eye after, dumbass. Don't rub that fucking thing either. And, simmer down. The ass burn comes later on. Okay, we're gonna lightly steam the poblano peppers. No one wants a fucking crunchy relleno. There's my fucking mustache, in case you forgot what it looks like. I use this miso for broth, because it's fucking amazeballs, and there's a little chicken broth concentrate. Mix that shit up, and, put your fucking chili pods in to soak. Now, keep a close fucking eye on the peppers. Don't let it get mushy. ASMR. Or whatever you gotta do not to lose interest. Don't look me in the eye. Okay, saute a fucking onion, salt and pepper that shit. How the fuck am I just realizing that I have glowing boobs on my ceiling? Are they hot? Fuck yeah, they're hot. Ouch. Take them the fuck out, let them drain and cool. And, dump this shit into that shit. Cook it. Now you're gonna need tomatoes, serrano peppers, a bell pepper, and fucking garlic. And just chunk that shit up. Turn on your fucking broiler. And, oh, my bell pepper is a little baby bell pepper. So fucking adorable. What should I do with it? I think I'll do whatever the fuck I want with it. That's what I'll do. Don't worry about it. And just chunk all this shit up. It's going in the broiler. And, not that, dumbass. Whew. That's my son's finger. That's all he'll let me film of him. Anyway, cut the top off of garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper it, wrap it up, done. Broil that shit. I don't know how long, just don't fucking burn it. Peppers are soft, looks good. Tweak. Ow, it's fucking sharp. Okay, blend the peppers and miso. Try to resist the urge to poke that little hot brown hole. It's fucking hot. It's okay if you want to touch it. Okay, the peppers cook faster. You might as well blend those fuckers in now. And you're basically going to blend all the broiled shit with all the pepper shit. And ASMR. Tweak. Alright, now fucking around. Okay, time to cut the cheese. Alright, we're using 5 different kinds. First, cut 2 spears of pepper jack per pepper, Peter Piper. I suggest you use said cheese to sample the fucking sauce. And that's a saucy biatch. Let's make some hongos saltados, chipotle style, for the top. It just means fucking sauteed mushrooms in Spanish. And it's just mushrooms, olive oil, salt and pepper, a big honker of butter to help lubricate it down your throat. Then put just the fucking juice from a can of chipotle peppers. That's it. And one more fucking sauce, y'all. Zest a lime. Squeeze some lime juice. Throw some sour cream in that bitch and salt and pepper, and then enough water so you can drizzle that shit. Okay, stuff those fucking peppers with pepper jack and then the grated 4-cheese Mexican blend shit. And stuff the fuck out of them. You know what I'm talking about. Pop this fucking stem on and run a toothpick through it to seal all that fucking cheese in. And dip it in flour, and then, the batter is just fucking 4 egg whites beaten until stiff. And then you add the yolks into it. Fry that shit in peanut oil, because peanut oil's fucking shit. Seriously, peanut oil. That's it. Eat the shit. Let's see how it is. God damn!